What's up and good day people! Today we are going to cover the first Kinaray-a Madjaas Trail Marathon in Madjaas Park, Culasi Antique. This event is benevolently supported by Antique Lone District Representative Congressman A.A. Legarda and Senate President Pro Tempore Inday Loren Legarda in partnership with Iraya Adventure Group and various trail running enthusiasts. The venue for this event is in the newest attraction in the town of Culasi, ang Madjaas Park. Who would not be astonished with the kind of beauty up here because sa likod mo nagapangiray ang Mount Madjaas, the highest peak in the island of Panay and the second highest mountain in the whole of Visayas. While sa atubang mo naman, makita ang darwa ka isla kang Culasi, ang Mararrison Island hanggang isla kang Batbatan. During the opening program last March 25, ginpakilala sa publiko ang darwa ka mga Antiqueño elite trail runners nga magaparticipate man sa kadyang trail marathon event. Diya mo sanday, John Ray Onifa kag Larry Apolinario.
Thank you very much and we wish you good luck.
Si John Ray Onifa tumandag kang barangay Banawan sa Banwa kang Hamtik kag makapiraran ka beses nga nag-compete sa mga international trail running competitions. Sometime, si Larry Apolinario naman ang bago lang gid nag-champion sa First Philippine Trail Running Association National Championships held last February 26, 2023 sa Buntok Mountain Province. Sunod kay Congressman A.A. Legarda, he will be supporting all Antiqueño trail running athletes and expect that this will not be the last event but there will be future marathons and triathlons to be held in Antique.
Siguro it's best that we have role model in the person of Larry and John Ray, both of them. And for us to be having this kind of event, siguro this will also entice and encourage our young athletes to do trail running events, no?
Ginpasalamatan naman ni Culasi Mayor Geoffrey Lumugdang nga napilian ang Culasi bilang venue kangamo nga marathon event.
Actually, no, ang siguro ng mga event surprise lang dya para sa tanan. Bukat ura dya sa plano, pero mas namin di man ang ura na plano siguro. Mas tanda pa sa ginaplano.
Alright. Ayan na, so excited na sila. Okay.
Siyempre, natapos ang opening program sa Sangkakawa Lighting led by John Ray Onifa which symbolizes sportsmanship and camaraderie among athletes.
The torch be a symbol of camaraderie.
The next morning, March 26, alas 3 pa lang sa aga, athletes are busy preparing for the gun start of the race. Four o'clock in the morning, ka nag-take off ang may pinakalabog ni category, ang 42K o kon 42 kilometers nga distance kang marathon. 5 o'clock, kag naghali naman ang mga participants kag 25K. Kag 5:30 in the morning, nag-take off ang tanan nga nag-intra sa 15K category. Matapos ang pira ka mga inoras, nag-arabot rin ng mga finishers back to Madjaas Park from both 15K, 25K, and 42K categories.
Beat number 4233, Dave Barrios Tambolero. Congratulations!
And syempre, hindi matapos ang marathon event without the awarding ceremonies.
Energy bar from KP Place winner will receive 4,000 worth of cash, drink from Atlas Insurance Nutrition Drink, and
Our congratulations to all finishers, especially to the winners.
mountain guides. Mountain guides. Larry is being joined by his mother, proud mother.
By the way, in 42K category, champion si John Ray Unifa, second placer si Larry Apolinario, tag third placer si Jobert Ilmagin. Siyempre, hindi natin pagpalampasin ang manaming sunset sa Madjaas Park. And that's it for today. Congratulations to our finishers and winners till next marathon event. See you in the next video.